Hello again, loves. Rebecca here. Welcome back to the channel and welcome to page kit 37. We're switching back to the Vegas because I need to get it completed. And I only have a few more photos to do and we should be done with that. There's a photo in here somewhere. We'll get to it. It is also a 52-week challenge of everyday life. This is my son's birthday. We're going to kind of cheat and go with that. It is also for Buttons Galore and More. I have the subscription box. And I am going to pull in. Well, let's go through this. So we've got all kinds of fun little random embellishments. Some brads and whatnot. So I'm going to kind of sort this out over here. Another brad. Some chipboard. Little epoxy pieces, a little alcohol bottle because it was his 21st birthday, some adhesive brads, this little Generations, a picture of the strip, film reel, little Go camera, a slide, little happy birthday stickers, more adhesive brads, an arrow and a next spin, the Nevada state flag, sequins ocean breeze from Spiegelbaum scraps, some twine thread, little glasses, family time, a tent or a book. Looks like a tent. Another little arrow. You can make a shaker packet with the frame. Whoa. We've got some alphas, a canvas, some cards, scraps. Do I not have a photo in here? Okay, I don't. Well, that's just fun for all parties involved. All right. Let's see if I can find one real quick. Here, let's do this. So we went to Fremont Street and had a prime rib dinner. This was huge, like you can see. So that's him eating it. So they're gonna go ahead and do that as our photo. So we will mat it. I've got the sticker book with all kinds of stickers. I bought way too much of this collection. And then we've got the Buttons Galore and More box here. So we've got some hearts. I think we're gonna make a shaker with that. Some big buttons. We'll add some of these in for shakers as well. So this is all from the subscription box. All right, so let me go ahead and trim this all down. Let's see what we have for paper. We have these two. They don't actually match, do they? But we're gonna use the diagonal stripe. Do I like that way or do I like that way? Let's go with this one. All right, so we're gonna go ahead and trim these down and then I will mat the photos with these elements, however I can get them matted. That will be fun. And so give me a minute to do that and we'll be right back. All right, so I've got the shaker pocket made. I used the little sparklets pack and the little sequin mix, so fun. Then I've got my title Family Time. I took that die cut camera and put a sticker behind it to kind of let the color shine through. I used all the paper. It's very, very busy. You know. So we're gonna fill in. There's a gap right here that I'm not quite loving, so we're going to go ahead and put the Go right there. All right. Now we're just going to see what we can get stuck in. Let's go ahead and do that as well. Ah, I love me. Don't waste the glue. Let's go ahead and get this little book guy right here. Generations isn't going to make sense, but that's okay. Okay. We're not going to use any string. Let's see. My stomach is so growling. I hope you guys do not hear that. Let's put the strip right there. We're going to put the little Nevada. Better make sure it's going the right way though, huh? Put that right there. We have a little flyaway. We did fly there. Let's just layer it right on top of that little tag. Oh, I did put the little birthday hat on him too. And I've got happy birthday down here. We got the little arrow. It says here. Make sure we put it on there the right way. This says next spin. Which could be a lot of things, right? Gonna layer that on top of that. And our little alcohol bottle. How cute are these things? I don't even know where I got them. Probably Amazon. Just gonna layer it right there. All right, and then we've got 5 brads that I would like to get on there. This says a winner. I want that on there too. Let's do winner here because that dinner was phenomenal. The only thing is they didn't let you take anything home, so no leftovers, right? So you had to eat that 400-pound steak. Which we accomplished nicely. And then the little glasses. And then I always put something fun for Sam, so this is little remote control for video gaming. All right, I'm gonna put the brads in, so I'm gonna go ahead and do that off screen, and then we'll come back and add the big buttons and the adhesive brads, and this will be a layout for the record books. All right, so I've stuck a brad here, 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 and here. Now we've got, I'm gonna put the one big button there because film roll really has nothing to do with it, but just, you know. Then we've got let's play. Oh, I would love for that to have fit there. The dice. Let's go with the stripes right there. And that is going to do it for today's layout, other than a couple items, maybe just one item. I successfully used everything, so I'm pretty excited about that. Plus got some buttons galore and more on there. Nope, there's already happy birthday. Never mind. I was going to add that, but never mind. So that's going to do it. Don't forget to check everything out down below. If you're a new subscriber, I do want to thank you for joining us today. And please give a like, thumbs up, all the fun things. Let me know. And if you are new to the channel, I want to thank you for joining us, and I will see you later with another video. Bye.